Cleaning the dispenser requires some precautions because bathroom cleaners often contain aggressive chemicals and abrasives designed to clean ceramic and porcelain surfaces. The best method for cleaning the dispenser is to simply wipe it with a soft, damp cloth. We recommend you give the spout a quick wipe as well. If you have the classic dispensers, you may wish to lift the lid and use a disinfectant spray every month or so. Some household cleaners may damage, deteriorate, or discolor the dispenser. Before using any cleaner, read the list of ingredients on the label. Do not use any cleaner that contains abrasives or solvents like xylene or toluene. Also, do not use anything that contains hydrochloric, muriatic, phosphoric, or hydrofluoric acid. Other ingredients that can damage the finish include alkyl dimethyl benzyl ammonium chlorides, sodium hypochlorite bleach, alcohol, or aromatic oils which are used in aftershaves. If you use any of these chemicals or abrasives, you may void the product warranty. If you need to change a pump or bottle on your Aviva dispenser, first remove the bottle from the bracket. Then, remove the cap and using a screwdriver or other pry tool, snap the faceplate loose and remove it. Pull the bottom retainer off to expose the pump. Unscrew the pump, and if you are replacing the valve, remove it from inside the neck of the bottle. The valve is required for proper operation of the dispenser. Reassemble the unit and you're finished.